this is Jennifer with DP Addiction Adventures. And for those of you who understand diamond painting and AliExpress, you may see that this is my take on the November 11th sale. So AliExpress does a sale every November 11th. It's similar to our Black Friday here in the United States. I'm not sure around the country if every country has a different type of day that they kind of have a sale countrywide. Here in America, it's Black Friday and the weekend after Black Friday. So we have Cyber Monday, which used to be when the internet was just taking off, a time that you would get great deals online and you could order on Cyber Monday because you couldn't find it in the store on Friday, Saturday, or Sunday. Then we have Giving Tuesday. That is a way that nonprofits say, hey, look, you have bought all this stuff for yourself and for your family. What about giving back to those less fortunate? And then backtracking, we do have Small Business Saturday. So there's Black Friday, Small Business Saturday. Sunday, maybe you're resting because you spent too much money recuperating. Then Monday, you scan the internet and do Cyber Monday. And then Tuesday, you do Giving Tuesday. So, blah, 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 right? So this is, I thought, instead of doing 1, 2, 3, 4 separate videos, I would just do them all at once and see what I got from AliExpress. I didn't really get any, I didn't get any diamond paintings, but I did get some things that I needed for diamond painting itself. So this one, I'm pretty sure I know what it is, so we're going to dive into it. Forgive the crinkling, but it's like Christmas. And I have my AliExpress up over here on my computer, so hopefully I can tell you where I got some of these items. So this first one comes from a store name called Value Full. This is not a place I normally get my mesh rulers from, but they were having a deal, so I thought I would get this. Now, my previous mesh rulers, this looks kind of nasty. I don't know if the camera's picking it up, but it's got speckles on it. I'll probably wipe it down. It's probably been sitting on a shelf for a while. It looks like somebody tried to wipe it. It wasn't successful. The store I love to buy this from, these mesh rulers from, was not having a sale, and they usually send them in these cardboard so that they stay nice and flat. This one, they did their best as far as what they probably knew and sent it in this, but that leaves it, it's kind of bent. Let me see if you can see. If I hold it up, I'm going blind here. I'm probably not showing you right, but it is bent a little bit, but it's not anything like it actually broke. It looks like all the holes are there, and I'll be able to flatten it out if I use this. It does bend eventually. I'll show you my current one. Where did I hide it? So this is my current one, and because you do pull it up off, sometimes it does bend. I guess they pre-bent it for me. But I'll put it in here, and I'll put it under all my storage maybe, because I have a ton of things kitted up, and see if it flattens it out, or I'll press it hard when I use it next. So, but I just thought, hey, it was, for the sale, it was $4.78, and then I had a coupon, so it ended up being $3.90. And normally I'm paying, let me see if I can scroll down and see what I normally pay for my mesh ruler. The last mesh ruler I bought, okay, it was $5.33 each, and I bought 2. The store I really like is HYM store, and it's the green tool when you select it. Okay, so I think this one, okay, so I've been doing, I think I know what this is. I've been doing some giveaways, and for Cassie, I used a padded envelope secondary after I'd already opened it, and duct taped it and all that fun stuff. It looked very unprofessional, and I'm like, you know what? I know I like to do this cheap and I don't like to spend a lot, but so because my favorite color is green and teal, I ended up, and I love that I get this color when I buy from Archer's Arts. So I ended up getting a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 pack. So I can send out some of the smaller giveaways, like if I'm giving away washi tape or a tool kit or something like that. So this I got from Pop Mailer Store. It was 10 pieces. It's a 6x9, and it was $4.99 for 10. So I thought 50 cents a piece for a color I really like. That's a padded envelope. So yeah, there's that. I'm going to put that over there. And this is not everything I had gotten from the 11/11 sale, so there's more coming. Okay. Let's see. Oh, okay. Because I'm doing a big giveaway for my 2,500 subscriber eventually, I've been collecting things that I want to put in that giveaway. So these are super cute. I might keep that green one because I love green. So these are my slicers that I use. Let me grab one that's open. I'm in the middle of reorganizing. So this is a different brand, but it's the same concept where you push the slicer out. And I love the safety because it doesn't stay. So you can push the slicer out, slice open your package, and then it pops back in. It does have this if you want to put it on a keychain or something like that. You know what you could do is those index card rings. You could put that on that and then put it on a hook in your craft area or on a magnet or a 3M hook so you always know where it's at. It's really funny because sometimes my cover minders, I'm trying to find a cover minder here. I think I have them all on my kits right now. The other ones are put away. But sometimes my cover minders stick to this because there's metal. Oh, here's a cover minder. Here you go. Here's my elephant ones. So sometimes I'll find, my cover minder. Like, where? This will be like that. I'm like, where's my cover minder? And then I was like, oh, there's the elephant. He's hiding. So my elephants like to hide, or my soccer or anything. They like to hide on this. So if you do purchase this, I got these. It comes in a random pack, so you can't pick the color. Other companies you can pick the color, but I got these for 60 cents each, and from Shizhuo, so SHIZHUO official store, and yeah, so I got 3 of them. So I like to do these for giveaways, so keep your eye out. I might grab some more because these are just really cute to throw in a giveaway and up class it. So let me put that over here. I'll put that over there so I don't have to go searching for it. Alright. And then this is the last package I've received so far. I'll try to remember to put all the links down below, but do remember if you're watching this down, you know, like a couple months from now or years from now, AliExpress is constantly rotating. So if you don't get it right away, or you know, you try to click on the link and it doesn't work, that's why it doesn't work. Okay, so this, I think, all right, this I believe is from shop 5374106 store. And I got a couple things from them. Let's see what is in here. They did package this up really well. Okay. So the first thing I got, because I'm looking at giveaways, is these containers that are shaped like a diamond. And actually, these are packaged really well. They're all individually wrapped. And aren't these gorgeous? These are those diamond looking. And this is considered the green, but it's aqua, and I love that color. And Donnie with Drill Pen Frenzy and Diamond Painting with Donnie, she actually turns these into cover minders, and then they're like trash containers. Some people use them for wax holders, and I just thought I liked the green. These were $2.50 for 5 of them. So I thought that was a really good deal. And then I got the purple ones. So this purple's really pretty, if you can see that right there. So yeah, these came packaged really well, clear, no scratches. So yeah, keep an eye out for these if you want to get your own. But I thought this would be cute for some giveaways. And then let's see what else I bought from the same store, because it was on sale. I got another large tray, and it came with tweezers. Now I thought the tweezers might be blunt tweezers. I was trying to investigate. That's why I purchased it. But this together was $2.28 for a large tray and tweezers. I would rather put that $2 towards Archer's Arts. But my daughter's diamond painting too, and sometimes it's nice to have these to maybe put in a giveaway. And then I desperately needed 4 placers. So they had 4 placers on sale. There were 10 of them for $1.98. These are the thin 4 placers, multi-placers. For those of you who are new to diamond painting, a multi-placer is you have your single placer, but then most pens either on the other side, or you can replace the single placer. You can use a multi-placer, and that would be 4 drills because it's 4. And I like these thin ones because the drills fit right on top instead of going into the placer. And it just, I don't know, I just like them. The only thing is they use a cheaper plastic, so you tend to get ridges. And I must have been trying to get some frustration out today, because I had my 4 placer in this pen. This is an acrylic pen that somebody purchased that I got as a gift. And this was in here, right? And this was my 4 placer. And normally what happens with this thin plastic is the side will break off, and you'll need to replace it. But instead, I think I was getting some aggression out, and I broke the whole 4 placer off, and then I had to use tweezers to pull this out. But yeah, anyway, I digress. So I have 10 more 4 placers, thank goodness, because I was down to like my last 3, and I have them all on actual pens, and the last 3 I have already have grooves in them, so I knew I was, you know, living on borrowed time. All right, so again, those were $1.98. So in that store, this total package was $8.56. Um, so yeah, so I do have, let me see, one, oh, I didn't open this in front of you, forgive me, but I will show you. I did buy 2 of these off of AliExpress. Um, it was from Enjoy Buy store. I got them for $1.84. The thing is it was free shipping if you bought one, but then the shipping went up to like $1 if you bought 2. So I bought one, and then I went back in and bought a second one on a completely different order. And I got them in 2 separate packages, but I got free shipping. So I just bought 2 of these because they're nice for travel or for giveaways. So I opened those without you. I didn't think you would hate me that much. Yeah, so I have 2 more things I think that still need to come from the 11/11 sale that I purchased. Also, if you get nice wrapping like this, I keep it because then I can reuse it when I send things out. And so I have to figure out where to put that because I need to start sending some things out because my packing material is getting out of hand. So yeah, that was all she wrote as far as the AliExpress order. So when my other items come in, I will let you know and keep you posted. So I love you all. Until next time, be blessed. Take care. Bye-bye.